What's up YouTube? It's Mariah and welcome to RiahsCurlyScoop. In today's video, I decided to do a whole new look and bring you guys a whole new makeup scheme that I have been waiting and dying to show you all and just getting it showcased out here. So the thing about this look is I'm wearing a very colorful shirt with unicorns, so of course I had to go in and use my TooFaced unicorn tears. I'm not going to show you guys how I destroyed it earlier, but I just want you guys to know that I used the Take Me Back to Brazil palette to get all these colors right here, and then to get all the glittery glossy look that I have on top of my lids as well. As you guys can see, I was using this and also NYX, not for your eyes, I'm telling you. Anyways, with that being said, I went in and I just did a whole new color scheme. I started with my eyes, of course, first, and did what I needed to do. I used my magnetic eyelashes, which it's been a while since I've actually touched them, since I've actually bought them, and I actually got them to work with me today. So I'm actually wearing lashes, and they're magnetic lashes, no glue needed, and I am so ecstatic because my look came together phenomenal. And I knew me putting lashes with it was going to be what tied this whole entire look together, including the colors and the glitter. But I already knew that was gonna work. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you guys stay tuned because I have everything coming up next. And before we get started, make sure you guys go down below and subscribe to the family if you're not already subscribed. And welcome to the channel. Welcome, subscribe to the family. And if you're returning, welcome back. Like, what's up? And make sure you guys go down below, like and comment, and let me know what you guys like about this video and what you don't, because all hate and love is appreciated. Okay, anyways, let's get started on how I got this look.
You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line.
So I just used NYX, and this is just a regular white eyeshadow, and I use that as my base. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm grabbing these gorgeous pink colors right here, and I'm gonna make them into one color with the brush, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease and just make sure it looks really good. Next, I'm grabbing another new brush, and this time I'm grabbing this baby blue right there, and I'm gonna put that right in the crease, or no, my tear ducts. Yes, in my tear ducts, I'm gonna put that there, and I'm just gonna fan it out so it looks like an eyeshadow and not a highlight. Next, I'm gonna go in and just grab this nice, gorgeous, dark navy blue, and I'm just gonna put that right on my ends of my eyes. I'm not going to put it in the middle section because I have something else designated for that area. So right now I'm not making it a winged eyeshadow, not yet, not at this moment. I'm going to do that in a little bit. So I'm just going to make sure that these colors look vibrant, they're out there. I'm grabbing this light pink. Then I'm gonna go back in, and I just want to make sure it looks really pink right there. So I'm gonna go in and grab this other color, which is a darker pink, and I'm just gonna put that in the same exact area. I didn't want both of the eyeshadows to become one like I did for the first color. I just wanted it to sit on top of each other, so it's two colors on one. Next, I'm gonna go back in with that dark navy blue that I just used, and I'm gonna bring out the eyeshadow and make it into a winged liner. So when I do my eyeshadow later on and clean it up and everything, before I put on the glitter, it's gonna look so good. I cannot wait. So now I'm just getting my glitters ready and in check. I'm making sure that the colors that I have on the eyeshadows are really vibrant, so when I get the glitter on, you can see everything pops out. This is my first attempt at getting glitter on my eyelids, and it didn't work out that way, so I went back to the drawing board. I grabbed my MAC Prep and Prime, and I decided to put that there. And then dip it into that glitter. So once I dipped into the glitter, I went crazy. As you guys see, I was having so much fun with my glitter. So I'm just getting this nice color onto the glitter. Like, I want this to look nice. Like, I didn't want it to look weird. I want it to look really nice. So I went into the sections, got my glitter, got my eyeshadows looking right, like they're popping. Next I'm going in with this eyeshadow from E.L.F, and this is the Liquid Molten. And I'm just gonna put that at the very top of my lids. I don't know what else to put there besides that. I don't know, I'm still learning, guys. So now I'm just gonna prep my face, and from there I'm just gonna go in and set and make sure that everything looks good before I clean up my eyes and get the rest of this look together. So I'm trying to hold my composure right now, because if you guys seen, I just went a little crazy with my foundation, which obviously, if I was being smart, I would have calmed down before I got right to this point right here, where I got some of my foundation literally on my eyeliner, like literally, after I just got my eyes done. My eyes look amazing, mind you. Like, alright, I'm gonna do concealer, bronzer, blush, and eyebrows, and then I will be back to finish highlighter and lips, and then we will be all done with this look. Okay, so stay tuned.
We
just about almost done with this whole entire look. All I'm doing right now is just finishing up my lips, putting on my lip liner, my lipstick. Metallic lip gloss, because I thought this would look perfect with this.